Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this episode, we're going to be talking about lubricant. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our episodes, you're going to need to click that subscribe button. So you've probably heard me talk about lubricant before. I'm always banging on about how it makes for frictionless fun and slippery sex and wetter is better and all that jazz. But there are lots of different types of lubes available and I'm here to tell you the benefits of the different types. So first up, there's regular water-based lubricant. Now that's brilliant because it's kind of a jack of all trades. It's suitable for use with all different types of sex toys and you can even get water-based anal lube for anal pleasure. There's also silicone lubes which are suitable for glass and metal toys and oil-based lubes as well. There's also silicone lubes which are great for glass and metal toys and oil-based lubes which are also fabulous for doubling up for sensual massage. Now there's also lubes that offer different types of sensations and in my little pocket full of miracles here I have two examples of that. We have the ID warming lubricant and the ID tingling lubricant. Now both of these lubricants are designed with your pleasure in mind. They're both water-based, so you can use them with a variety of sex toys, and they're both non-staining and suitable for use with latex. Now the idea behind lubricants that give you a warming sensation or a tingling sensation is to encourage blood flow to the area where you've applied them. So in this case, it would be the genitals or the nipples or any other of your erogenous zones that you want to heighten sensitivity. Now, the more blood that flows to the area, the more sensitive you'll be, the more engorged your genitals will become, and the more likely they are to be stimulated. So it's great for use during couples play for shared stimulation. Now, different types of lubricants have different active ingredients to help provide those new sensations. For example, this warming one has caffeine in it and the tingling one has something called red clover in it. Now, it's always a good idea to check the list of ingredients just to make sure that it will be suitable for use on your body. There really are tons of different types of lubricants out there from different manufacturers. So the best thing to do is have a good look online, do some research and find the lubricant that works best for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. For notifications, click the bell. If you have anything you'd like to ask or add on to, please pop your comment in the box below. If you never want to miss another one of our videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you just can't wait for another one, then don't worry because there's one coming up right now. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.